surprised about the business atmosphere of Emirates, so we decided to start business. And the first thing which came to our mind is water in desert. And we decided to supply this water in desert country like Emirates. When we were starting this business in Emirates, we were looking for some company, some accountant team who can help us and give us their support to give accounting service and do this compliant by law of the Emirates. So that's why we were looking for the company as same as Alchemist. And we found this company as one of the leaders of accounting service in Emirates market. Their service based on the Zoho software. This is very simple and easy in running business. I got acquainted with Mr. Afsal. He is very friendly, very smart guy. And when I met him first time, I understand this guy is the person who can take care of our accounting department. Now I'm sure that my accounting background is covered by Alchemist Team and everything is okay there. I'm sure about that. And this time I can do other things for our company to develop, but the accounting team is okay. Accounting background is taken care by